it's complicated.
You know.
Ganyan inilarawan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang relasyon niya sa pamilya Duterte kasunod na mga pambabatiko sa kanya ni dating Pangulo Rodrigo Duterte. Yan ang sinabi ng Pangulo nang humarap siya sa forum ng Foreign Correspondents Association of the Philippines o FOCAP kahapon.
How would you describe your relationship with the Duterte family currently, and how would you reconcile your continued allyship with the Vice President and her family's vocal disdain for your policy?
It's complicated. It's complicated.
Sa gitna nito, nilinaw ni Marcos na nananatiling maayos ang relasyon nila ni Vice President at Education Secretary Sara Duterte.
Of course, that I have the most contact with is Inday Sara. And how we were with each other during the campaign, after the election, it hasn't really changed. He says, no, I'll just work. Don't worry about it. I'll just work on it.